The Shattered Dreams program is coming to Godly High School this spring. It's time to sign up to be involved with the Shattered Dreams program. Lots of students are needed to make this program a success. We need students to submit designs for the t-shirt contest and students to fill out applications to be in the program. You can fill out an application online or you can pick up a form in the office. Participant applications are due November 10th and t-shirt designs are due January 18th. All parents must attend one mandatory meeting. The dates are listed below. For more information, go to www.godlyisd.com, click on Campus and choose High School, then choose the Shattered Dreams link on the left. Send questions to shattereddreamsgodly@gmail.com, and the URL for registration is tinyurl.com/GISD Shattered.
Danny Fisher announced senior night while we were getting announced, so.
Are y'all going to that party at his house? What party? Y'all haven't heard about it? It's that senior party for all the seniors.
No. Really?
Yeah. He's going to supply all the alcohol for us, but we have to leave our keys.
Mason!
When I look into your eyes, it's like watching the night sky or a beautiful sunrise. Well, there's so much they hold, and just like them old stars, I see that you've come so far to be right where you are.